Yo guys, welcome back to another Nvidia update video. Today I'm going to be talking about my thoughts and what to expect next with Nvidia. As you can see, pretty good day for the bulls, up 1.6% and another 0.5% in the after hours, likely due to the Tesla earnings and all the major stock earnings we have today. So Nvidia just moving with the market right now. Things are looking good. But before we get too in deep with this analysis, guys, I do have a Discord where I post live trading updates for both Nvidia and Tesla. Every single day I post about 10 updates for each stock, letting you know key levels to look out for, good buying positions, stuff like that. And if you have any questions, you can directly ask me in the community chat. I'll definitely get back to you on that. But yeah, diving into Nvidia, guys, things looking good for bulls, right? We're holding today. We held really strong above that gap up we made this morning, holding the low 190s as support. Things are looking good, but I do have a bit of an issue. Guys, you know, Nvidia loves riding that 9 EMA, that daily 9 EMA in these uptrends. As you can see, we got extended up here, came back down, bounced off that 9 EMA, and look at here, we are extended from that 9 EMA again. And this does happen a lot. Like this major all-time highs, a few days where we went up to like 210 or whatever. Right here, I was telling you guys, yo, we're not going to go anything meaningful higher until we go back to retest that 9 EMA. Which we did, and then we ended up coming below that 9 EMA. But guys, this uptrend here, get far extended, bounce off that 9 EMA, get far extended, bounce off that 9 EMA. Essentially, what I'm trying to say is Nvidia doesn't like to get too far extended from that daily 9 EMA, and right now we are pretty far extended from that 9 EMA. So, going into tomorrow, this means I would not be surprised if we did get another false breakout, just like these other false breakouts we've been having, above that 192 resistance. From there, the ideal situation is we just kind of hang out, stall out in the low 190s, maybe touch 189. But we kind of just we stall out here and we kind of just chop and let that daily 9 EMA catch up to us. And once that does happen, we can bounce off it and then just rocket higher. That's kind of what I'm thinking. That's the ideal bullish scenario. Of course, the real heavy bullish scenario is we just rocket from here, but that's probably not going to happen. Nvidia likes its technicals. It likes bouncing off that 9 EMA. It respects its technicals, so I don't think that will happen. So that bullish, that real bullish theory that could happen is, we come up, false breakout, and then we just stall in the low 190s, let that 9 EMA, which is currently sitting at 187, creep up to us. We'll meet here and then rally higher. So that's kind of what I'm thinking, looking at from a bullish perspective. What we do not want to see, that will tell me that we're losing bullish momentum, I guess we'll stick on the daily, is if we actually just come down to that 9 EMA. If we come down to that 9 EMA, like as you can see here, we came down to that 9 EMA. We didn't let it catch up to us. We came down to it. Probably not a good thing. Here, we kind of just stalled out, let the 9 EMA catch up to us, and we got higher, and then we came down to the 9 EMA, and we got bearish. Essentially what I'm saying, I don't know if that makes sense, but what I'm saying is, we don't want to come down to it. We don't want to get smacked down. We want to hold price high in the 190s, let that come up to us, and then we bounce and head higher. That's what I'm thinking right now. But yeah, if we come down, that shows weakness. And of course, if we come down, that will bring us back in this bull flag, which shows weakness, and we would fill that gap we made today, which also shows weakness. So yeah, I'm kind of thinking we'll false breakout tomorrow. And then kind of stay in the 190s. Next few days, we'll have that 9 EMA catch up to us, and then bada bing, bada boom, we'll rally higher. Okay, enough of me talking about that. I feel like I just repeated myself like 20 times. But that target, my first goal obviously is we have to break past that 192 resistance. That obviously is a clear resistance right now. But if we can get past that, then my next target is this 195 resistance, which obviously there's a lot of price action around. Let's see, we're using as support. Then we had a false breakout above it, use our resistance, double topped resistance. So of course, once we get back up to that 195 level, I'm sure we're going to find some more resistance. So yeah, that's kind of my two targets to the upside. Of course, we break past 195, then to start talking about heading back into the 200s. But I don't think that's going to happen for a good little bit due to that 9 EMA being so far extended from us. Yeah, guys, that's kind of what I see right now. Ideally, Nvidia just holds the lower 90s, and we kind of just stall out there. Wait for us to not get as overbought, because right now we're just overbought. let that daily SMI reset a little bit, that 1 hour SMI reset a little bit, and that 4 hour SMI needs to reset a little bit. And then once we get that, I do think we will get that nice move up, break past 192 with that first target being 195. So yeah, things are looking good for the bulls overall. We're just a little bit overbought right now, but things are looking good. And yeah, guys, I'll have another update for you guys tomorrow. So see ya. Peace.